Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So ngayon guys, magluluto po ako ng chicken, native chicken. So the oil here is hot now. I need to fry the chicken, native chicken guys. So first, that's garlic and onion. Just mix it. There you go. You should see guys the chicken. This is our native chicken guys. Look, it's big. I need to clean this one first. We still have some slimy. Here. Look at the legs. Then here. So big. The wings. So I need to wash this one first. I'll be back later. Okay, let's put now the chicken. Okay, now let's cover this one guys till it produces juice. And that's the time I'm going to add water. I will make this one a soup, chicken soup. Okay, let's check again guys. Oh wow, that's good. I'm going to add all spice to save the there. Yes. Then I'm going to add water now. This is Tinolang manok guys. Yeah. Wow. Next muna natin kasi yung yung all spices is hindi na nahalo. Yan. Okay. Let's cover this one. Let's check the tinolang manok guys. Oh wow. Malita eh. Bulbukal. I'm going to add tomato. Let's mix this one. Yummy. I'm going to taste guys. Uy, lami. So, finish guys. Oh, wow, naglatab-latab. Tambok. Ayan. Sarap. I want the wings. Yummy. That's it, everyone. Thanks for watching.